So you might be asking, what happens if something goes wrong and what's the guarantee on our treatment? Well, all cases that we do with dental implants are fully guaranteed for life. That means that we will repair and replace those implants should they ever fail at any time. With crowns and bridge work, there's a 5-year guarantee on that, and you will have a written out guarantee that you will sign and be able to take with you. The only thing we ask is that you have a regular hygiene session every 6 months and a regular dental checkup, and that can be done at your own home clinic. It doesn't have to be done with us. But many patients, they do love our clinic after they've been here, and they return to us year after year for a hygiene session or a checkup session. Checkup session is always free of charge with us, of course. We're very much focused on producing the best result for our patients years and years ahead. So we will ask you after your treatment session to help us, follow up with you just by SMS, 2 weeks, 2 months, half a year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year after treatment, so we can get track of the actual outcome of your treatment. Can you still smile confidently? Have you no treatment-related pain? Are you able to function and eat normally? Because that's the real outcome for us. We want to make sure that you, for the rest of your life, are satisfied with the work that you one day had done here in Slovakia with Dental Holiday Smile Clinic.